Orchids love Coir Baskets. Sustainable gardening by Craftpair. Watch how simple and sustainable orchid care can be. In this short video, we show how to transfer an overgrown orchid from a small Craftpair Coir basket to a bigger one, without any mess or waste. Seedling. The beauty lies in its simplicity. Right finger the smaller basket goes directly inside the larger one. No repotting, no soil spillage. Right finger completely biodegradable and zero waste. Right finger Coir's natural texture helps roots breathe and absorb moisture efficiently, boosting growth and flowering. Green heart perfect for orchid lovers, eco-conscious gardeners, and sustainable living enthusiasts. Craftpair, where nature and craftsmanship grow together.